Lily. What are you doing under there? Huh? Hi, cutie. Hey. Lily. Lily. Twink. Twink. Time to wake up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Time to wake up. Mommy's gotta go. Let's go. Come on. Not ready to wake up? Lily. Oh my goodness. Come on. Too tired? Don't want to wake up? Huh? You don't want to wake up? Let's go. We gotta wake up. Okay? Come on.